Good morning, guys. So we are going to begin going through a new kind of training session or a series of tutorials to learn Fusion 360, which is our 3D modeling program. Sometimes it's known as CAD, Computer Aided Design. And so what we're doing is this program called Fusion 360. We went through this yesterday where you guys created accounts and downloaded the program onto your computers. So you should have that program on your computer. So at this time, go ahead and open up that program. Make sure that you give it some time so it can get up and running. It is slow to open up and get going. So you might want to open that up right now. And then we can kind of come back to this video here after you get it going. So this will be your assignment tomorrow where I'll put some instructions in here still before I post it. But I wanted to get this video kind of going. This link takes you, and I'll click the same thing. And just so you guys know, I'm actually going to be going through this same video series. I'm going to try to stay ahead of you guys. So that you know. And the whole entire series is 12 hours. I know that might sound like an insanely long time, but we'll be working on it for a while and we'll see how it goes. So for this first assignment, what we want to do is we're going to start right at the beginning and we're going to go through this. And so for this assignment that I'm created on Classroom, which is the Introduction to 3D Modeling for Manufacturing, I just want it to be getting started, an introduction to modeling. And I'm going to put that on the assignment so that you guys know for this assignment, all I'm asking for are these first two modules right here, okay? And so for you guys, I kind of started this already. So mine says continue right here. Yours will say get started. And then it kind of lets me know, it'll let you know where you're at in terms of this class. And so I need to keep going on this. I just clicked it to see what would happen. I haven't even watched just a 1-minute video, and I haven't even watched that yet. And so I'll do that today. And then I'm going to head into this introduction to modeling, which is an hour and 30 minutes. And so that'll take us probably 2 days to get through that, and that's fine. So if we start this tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and then you guys have a half day Thursday, we might not finish this assignment until Monday. But you do want to make good use of your time. Otherwise, if you're messing around and not using your time, you're going to fall behind and won't be able to get caught up. Okay? Because it's just a matter of putting the time in on this stuff. So you'll hit get started here, and then it will walk you right through it. So I'm going to click that on mine. It lays out what it is. Okay, so this is all saying, get started, and then you just hit next unit, and it clicks right through and takes you through this. But what I wanted to show you was if I hit this drop-down arrow right here, like on the second module that I expect you to do, create a new project, so we're actually going to make a drawing, then edit that sketch, then once we turn it into a 3D model, how do we edit that 3D model, technical drawing, all this kind of stuff, but then it's actually got like practice work where it walks you through stuff. Then it's going to challenge you to maybe do something on your own. And then there's a little bit of a quiz. And at the end of this, I'm going to add another video to this assignment that will show you and what I want you to do to turn this in. But of course, I've got to get through this before I make that part of the video. And so I'm going to spend some time getting caught up. But this is just the video to get you going on this assignment. Again, we're just trying to get through 1 and 2. And I know that it'll take us a while. But that's kind of where we're headed. All right, good luck.